Hello, welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey to strong, healthy nails. So here are my nails, still on the shorter side, yes. I'm thinking of keeping them short for a while. Dive into the potential that this length has and see if I can get a bunch of really nice styles without relying on the longer lengths that I'm used to. I'm gonna apply the base coat now. I decided to use these two colors today, Unbothered and Undaunted by Mischo Beauty. I'm gonna alternate between the two colors as I paint my nails. Here's how it's looking so far. I'm gonna speed through applying the second coat so we can get to today's look. So, as I promised in the previous short actually, I'm gonna do a full tutorial with these pop finger nail stickers. I'm choosing this sheet of stickers and I'm gonna go with this row of stickers. Yeah, I feel like the color palette on these stickers blend really well with both polish colors that I chose for my nails. On the back of the sheet is the instructions. 6 simple steps. And it looks like I'm on steps 3 and 4 now, since I've already prepped and polished my nails. I found these on Amazon, and it comes with 5 sheets with different designs on each sheet. There were other styles to choose from, but I liked this one the most, so I went with this one. There's only 2 stickers like this, so I think I'll use it for my thumbs. I don't have much of an inspiration for this week's look. I'm just so excited to use these stickers again. Now I'm trying to figure out the style as I go, so let's see what I can come up with. So I can't actually find my tweezers, so I have to use this pointy stick thingy that comes in my nail toolkit to pick up the stickers. There's 5 stickers like this, so maybe I'll place these ones on my pointer and ring fingers. And I'll even have an extra one in case I mess up. I really want to get nail art tools so that I can eventually learn how to freehand some really nice designs as well, and not have to always rely on stickers to get more advanced, intricate designs. But until then, I'll just practice my drawing/design skills, and I'll use these stickers so I can have a cute manicure. Okay, I'm struggling a bit with the middle finger and pinky finger design. This just feels a bit too plain. I'm gonna have to find something else to go with it. Let's see. Definitely not. This is not a look. No. Okay. Okay. I think I like this one. Now for the pinky. Yay! Okay, got it. These stickers are so cute. I think these ones were perfect for these polish colors. I'm gonna apply the cuticle oil now and massage it into my nails and cuticles. Here's the final look. I love how my nails came out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next Wednesday.